What up, Smart Rapper Gang? This is a very serious situation right now. I need to take this very seriously. No, but seriously, I'm making this video to address anything that I ever promote to you guys. I want this to like really clear it up and help you understand that anything I promote to you or I recommend to you is something that I obviously believe will help you. And if you look at anything I've ever promoted, it's going to help you. I get approached by around 20 different brands a month. New brands who I've already said no to because they know that you guys are actually engaging with me and I'm helping you, and they see that connection like, ooh, this guy could sell stuff for us. It's very rare. Like, look, clothing companies approach me, shoe companies, sunglass companies, hat companies, and I'll tell them straight out. Like, I can show you the damn emails. I'm like, what's the difference between you and Lids? What's the difference between you and these over here? Why would I promote you to my supporters, to smart rappers, if you're not saving them any money? Like, why does your hat cost the same amount as Lids? Why don't they just go to Lids? And then they just don't respond? Because I'm like, I'm trying to help people. You're just trying to make money. So anything I ever promote to you guys is because I believe it's going to freaking help you. I promote things I know are gonna help you because I've been in your shoes before. And I'm like, could I have used this? If yes, then okay. And I don't really promote much stuff. I have like 15 products on my website, and you really only hear me talk out of like the 600 videos that I have on here. You've heard me maybe talk about the products like maybe if it's a new launch product comes out, I have to tell you about it, right? But if it's not, I don't continuously mention it in every video. There's channels where the guys are always selling their products. I don't do that. I let you organically build a relationship with me, and I teach you, and then if you happen to come across the stuff, that's cool. I'm not promoting this shit every single day. I could be, but it's not necessary. I mention things when I feel like they're necessary, and it's a point where it can actually help you. Can this help you? Okay, cool. Let's show these guys. You know what I'm saying? Great example. Okay, my 200 plus email, my hip hop blog list that I have, I didn't make that for you. I made that thing for me. I spent 7 days digging deeper than a porn star into Google, like 50, as many pages back as it could go, going to hip hop blogs, even ones that only had 10 people who liked them, not 10, but you know, like this, even the smallest ones, didn't care. And I went in and I found by hand, looked for their emails or looked for their submission page, and I built a list of over 200 hip hop blogs. I did that for me, to promote my music, because when that moment happened, I needed it to send my music to blogs every time I release a song. Then I was like, people can use this. I can sell this to people because I needed it. So then I sell it to you. Like, it's like I'm not selling you things that are not going to help you. They're things that I needed or I wish I had when I started rapping. I give away tons of free information. I release 7 videos a week, and then I have other channels too, and I'm obviously doing a lot. I'm working on music too. I'm running a social media agency as well. Like, I'm doing a lot of stuff. And Smart Rapper itself, this is a whole other part-time job. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have to write the scripts for these videos. I have to edit these videos, export these videos, make the thumbnails, upload them, and then you know, everything that it goes with this. I have to do that. You know what I'm saying? Manage the email list. Like, it's a lot, and I'm not complaining at all. I'm just letting you guys know that I give away a lot for free. You know what I'm saying? And if you ever buy anything from me, any product or anything else like that, it doesn't only help you when you get it, but it supports the channel, right? So of course, occasionally I'm going to like offer you these things. I believe they're gonna help you. So of course I'm gonna offer them to you, but I don't want to shove them down your throat like other channels do. Also, I like to point out, we're at a point right now where we're making, you know, as the video had said, I think I released a video like last week where I said, you know, I'm at a point now where I'm finally investing money that I have into, you know, advertising and stuff. So when if anything is bought, that money is going right back into advertising for Smart Rapper so that we can get more people to Smart Rapper to grow as a massive community. And you're gonna see why that's a really big deal for your career with everything that I'm doing right now, because the more people we have, the more you're gonna get seen and heard. And not just from those people, but from everybody who knows those people. I have a massive plan. I've had this plan for 2 years. And if everybody who's a serious artist, you're gonna have massive opportunities to like collaborate with major artists. You're gonna have opportunities to get on songs with me. You're gonna have opportunities to get seen by lots of people and have, I'm talking $20,000, $30,000 worth of marketing go towards getting your song heard. And you don't even know how I've been building all of this up to get to that point, and we're getting there. You're gonna see, I can't talk about it right now because I don't want to be trying to steal my idea, but when you guys see what's gonna happen, I'm gonna be able to help so many rappers blow up. Just like boom, fan base. You'll see. You know I'm gonna talk about that when the time comes. But anyway, by the way, this video was sparked by a guy who said that my videos have been too salesy recently. And I'm like, when have I ever tried to sell you anything or tell you about anything that didn't directly benefit you? I'm not over here trying to sell you things that you don't need. Show me one video. One. It doesn't. Like I said, all those brands approach me. I don't promote their stuff, and they offer me money. Like, Rob, I'll give you $500. Someone like, I'll give you $1,000 to make a custom video 3 minutes long and look like this. Here's some examples. I'm like, no, like why? They don't need fucking shoes. And by the way, I have to say this. Anybody who feels like my stuff has been too salesy, I sincerely 100% do apologize, because it's clearly not what I want. I don't want to shove a bunch of stuff down your throat. Recently, there has been more stuff, because it just so happens that these things came about. It was like, oh, okay, well, this is here. Okay, I finished this product. Oh, okay, finish this too. All right, this. Like, it's just, okay, cool. I'm not trying to shove it down your throat. It's just they kind of happen to be kind of close to each other, which I don't like that either. I've actually had to tell other people who wanted to do things like, I can't do that right now, even though I know it would help them. I can't do that because there's already too much in the works. For instance, DistroKid, which is the company that will distribute your music to, iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify and everything else like that, they reached out to me and was like, hey, like, we'll pay you to make a video about us. Yet, about a week before that, for free, I had made a video talking about the 3 ways to get your music up there. And I talked about TuneCore, I talked about CD Baby, and I talked about DistroKid. And you can go watch that video, and you'll notice in the video how I suddenly realized when I'm making the video how I wish that I would have used DistroKid. And that's before DistroKid. I never talked to DistroKid at all. And I don't even think that DistroKid saw that video, because they don't realize I already had made a video about them, because I actually believed that they had a great product. Okay, so when the DistroKid reaches out to me and says, hey, we'll pay you to make a video, I'm like, well, I actually believe this is the right company that you should be uploading your music to. I wish I would have used them initially. This is a great deal. Yeah, I'll make a video for it. Like, I'm not selling you guys anything that I don't believe in. You guys needed a new mix and a master on a song every month because you don't have a mixing engineer, and you needed beats because you always ask me where to get beats from. So what did I do? I showed you guys Legion. Like, I'm not selling things you don't need. I'm selling, like, did you need this? Here's what I believe will help you. That's what I'm saying. That's what this video is about. And the kid left a comment on the video where I was talking about that music video course, where you can shoot music videos using your cell phone. It took me over a year, to me and my business partner, over a year to make that entire course, putting it together. It's literally like a whole college course worth of stuff. There's an entire guide on how to shoot music videos and grow a business by growing YouTube channels and Instagrams using the music videos you shoot for other people that are paying you to build a fan base, right? So imagine you put all the videos on your channel and then it grows and now you have 30,000 subscribers. So what happens? Now you have a platform for when you start releasing your music and your music videos. In between you releasing the other videos on there, you're putting your song up. Now you're gaining fans from everybody else's fans. This is fucking genius. That's why it took a year to build. We put the whole damn thing together. It's literally, you are able to start a business and gain a skill set, not have to pay other people to shoot videos for you. Of course I'm gonna create this, because I look back and I was like, I wish I had this. Because look, I did do this. I literally already had to go through this process of learning how to shoot my own music videos. When I was dead broke, this is 2013, I went and got a job. Oh God. Because I needed more money to buy a camera. I went and got a job and I delivered bread. Got up at 4 a.m. every day and went and delivered fucking bread to save up for a camera to start shooting music videos. And I taught myself over a course of a whole year how to shoot and edit videos. That took me a year, all right? And then it took me a year to build this course to show you guys. I already went through this process. I was in your shoes at that point. So I made a course to teach you how to do it, because I know, look at it, I got Premiere open right here. I know how helpful it was to learn that skill set. It allows me to release these videos to you guys every day, okay? And then I teach you the business aspects as well, and how to build an actual platform for yourself, not only for shooting videos and making money to buy your music equipment and everything, but also so that you already have a fan base established as you're making your music on the side. Like, it's literally exactly what French Montana did, if you didn't know that. And I explained that in the course. Like, that's what French Montana did. It was smart as fuck, right? I'm not gonna go too far into that. I'm just trying to help. I'm not being salesy, I'm helping. You wanna make a couple extra grand a month after you have the skill set down and you establish everything? You wanna actually have a fan base ready for your music that's growing with everything? You wanna have the connections because you're shooting videos for all the rappers in your area and you're the go-to guy? You wanna own the platform? Imagine if you own WorldStar and then you're posting all those videos up on there, and then in between the World Star videos, you're posting your videos. It's genius. I was like, what do you mean? If I had this when I started, I would have been fucking unstoppable. Unstoppable. The information I give you on this channel, plus you're already hustling and working on music, unstoppable if you have the hustle. So, okay, anyways, if you guys want that course, I'm gonna put the link below, okay? And for the comment from the guy who said that, oh, he's just being a salesman, he's not gonna raise the price on it. Bullshit, bro. The reason that I put the price at the point it is right now is because it's a reasonable price, and I know that everybody who's a serious artist will go get it. Like, I've already had, so many people have already went and got this. They immediately jumped at the opportunity because they see the opportunity. If you understand and see what this is, you immediately understand, oh shit, yes, thank you. You know what I'm saying? Instead of being like, oh no, he's gonna raise it. Like, dude, I'm saying right now, the only other time this is gonna be available is inside of my community, and it's gonna be $800. Fuck with me. I'm not gonna fuck with me. You're gonna see. I'm just saying. Right now, it is way less than that. Okay, so that you can get your hands on it right now. I'm telling you right now, though, when April 29th comes in midnight, A, it's gonna disappear and you won't be able to get it till my community opens, and B, the price is gonna be $800 in my community. And it's kind of just directly directed at the kid who made that comment, and then it had 20 thumbs ups on it. They're like, oh, you can just buy it later. Okay, for $800, right? It's worth a college degree. People go to school to pay $50,000 to learn all this shit. You know how long it took me to develop my skill sets and editing videos? I've edited over 1,200 videos in total, and I edit all my own music videos too, in case you didn't know. Okay, so in the course, we go shoot a video on an iPhone 7 and show you how to take the footage from the phone, how to set it up, the lighting, the casting, everything for the whole process of everything, and then we show you how to bring it in and how to edit it, how to export it, everything from the phone, and then how to build a business. And then there's actually a 48-week calendar that shows you what you do step by step, week by week. I mean, look at the way the first person who bought the course responded. He immediately came on the page and said this. And then 20 minutes later, he left another comment and said this. This is a massive course. It's a massive opportunity. Yeah. I made this to help people because I wish that I had it, because this would have changed. I wouldn't have had to go work all those. I've worked over 30-day jobs. I wouldn't have had to work all those jobs if I would have established this skill in a media age where people need video editing and they need video shot. Like, you're learning what you need for yourself and for others, and then how to make money, so you don't have to go work at Applebee's or Chili's or Buffalo Wild Wings, Red Lobster, Papa John's, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, or laying concrete at 2 different companies, pushing a broom in a fucking factory. Like, all these are jobs that I've actually fucking worked, okay? I don't want you having to go work those jobs. I want every minute of your time that you have being focused on you building your skill sets, and you actually making money from your skill sets. While you're working, you're building your connections. While you're working, you're getting better at something that helps you edit your own videos. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is why I get upset when people would talk shit about me trying to help people with something like this. That took me a year to make. That's all. Anyways, I'll put the link below for that. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you for understanding what's going on and what I'm trying to do and how I'm trying to help, and that everything that I do show you is meant to help you. Everything I make is meant to help you, you know? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, keep hustling.